Hello, my friends, in my channel as usual. As I told before, I'm repairing my motorcycle, my old motorcycle, and it was 2 years without some service. And 2 years this motorcycle uh, was broken, and I don't know what it was and what is the reason, but my motorcycle uh, was overheating and it was high temperature of coolant fluid. And finally, I today I uh, assemble my motorcycle. I change my coolant. I checked my starter motor, and also it was a problem because my old starter motor was broken because it was too old. And all my starts, I uh, was had to start it without my starter button, and it was also manual with a little with a little tough with your power, because you have to start your motorcycle from second gear, and short um, after short um, run after short running, and it was tough, you know but finally I changed this detail, and with a starter button, today my motorcycle uh, working. And I have to check some moments, because I don't like how it work with my gears change, with my uh, power on this motorcycle. And I have to check what's with my overheating, what's with my high temperature. uh, I'm not sure what it is, but I have to check. I have to go on my weekend, maybe next weekend. I have to go to training session, and I have to observe how it works, and have we some problems with this or no. Because if we have some problems, it can be engine change. Maybe I will have to engine change, and I don't want to do this. But I was glad to hear my sound from my old motorcycle. Yes, I have some needs with my motorcycle. I have to do some moments, but finally it works after 2 years, and I'm really excited. I spent a lot of time yesterday in my garage with oil, with my screws, bolts, with my coolant fluid, with my something else. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like to do these services, maintenance and services work. Yeah, I don't like this, but I have to do this. And tomorrow, or maybe next few days, I will training, and maybe I take my motorcycle on my training point, and we will see how it works with power, with some active uh, use useless, and we will see. I hope it will be okay. Thank you for watching today, and see you tomorrow as usual. Bye.